Hello everyone, how are you all students? Hope you all are studying well and visiting all the videos regularly. Please visit all the videos regularly and understand the topics well so that you should not face any gap in your studies. In our grammar topic, that is, we already started with the adjectives, right? And in our adjective we completed with two videos, right? And I explained 6 kinds of adjectives already, so remaining 3 kinds of adjectives we will be doing today. Okay, now if I make you to see it again, okay, proper adjective, descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective we finished. Then numeral, that is definite, indefinite and distributive, demonstrative and interrogative, that is also done. So today in this video we'll be doing with possessive, emphasizing and exclamatory. Okay, now possessive adjective, if you remember my explanation of possessive pronoun, in that I had already done with possessive adjectives also, but let us see again. Possessive adjectives, that includes my, your, his, her, its, our, their, are used attributively before a noun as. मतलब possessive adjectives जो है वो noun से पहले use होते हैं. Say like suppose here it is written I have lost my umbrella, right? अगर मैं ये line लिखूँ, this umbrella is mine, right? Now one I have written this umbrella is mine, and another if I write this is my umbrella, right? So here what is this mine? That is possessive pronoun, right? ये possessive pronoun है. And then what is this my? See, umbrella is a noun, तो noun के बाद में जो pronoun लगा है that comes to possessive pronoun. But here in this second sentence it is before noun. Okay, umbrella is a noun. So ये जो pronoun है, this is, sorry, ये जो word है, this show कि ये umbrella किसकी है. So this is my umbrella, so my is possessive adjective. Understood everyone here how adjective works? Okay, if I see the second sentence, John has invited your brother. Okay, John has invited brother of yours. No, that is not a sentence. Okay, so your brother, John ने किसको invite किया है? किसके भाई को? आपके भाई को. So your is possessive adjective here. Do you know his name? Okay, do you know his name? Name is noun here and his is possessive adjective. Understood everyone? Now the second one is emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjective, that is on and very, are used to emphasize the possessive adjective or a noun. See, do you remember in pronoun we have used with ourself, herself and all, right? तो वो emphasize करना, किसी ना किसी चीज़ पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा point out करना, उसको बोलेंगे emphasizing करना, right? So here 2 examples they have given, that is on and very. Like on is used to emphasize the possessive adjective and very is used to emphasize the noun. On जो है वो possessive adjective को point out करेगा. Possessive adjective मतलब ये वाले adjectives के बाद में लगेगा और उनको ज़्यादा point out करेगा. For example, I saw it with my own eyes. See, I can write this sentence also. I saw it with my eyes, right? Now I saw it with my eyes. Eyes is noun My is possessive adjective here. Okay, but I am emphasizing this. मेरी खुद की eyes से मैंने देखा. My own eyes. So own is emphasizing adjective in this. मतलब my and own दोनों adjective है इनके लिए, लेकिन ये emphasizing adjective है my के लिए. Understood everyone? Like he was beaten at his own game. वो अपनी खुद की गेम में ही हराया गया. Okay. Mind your own business. Your is the possessive adjective. Own is emphasizing adjective. See, my के बाद में own, his के बाद में own, your के बाद में own, his के बाद में own. He is his own master. वो अपने खुद का मास्टर है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर भी own जो है वो his के बाद में आया है. सो वी कैन टेल own is used to emphasize a possessive adjective. Now let us talk about very. Very is used to emphasize a noun. Very जो है वो noun को emphasize करता है. That is, this is the very thing we want. ये वो ज़रूरी चीज़ है जो मुझे चाहिए थी. सी, वेरी का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि हमेशा वेरी गुड का ही वेरी जो होता है इट इज़ दैट. ओके, सी, देयर इट स्टैंड्स टू दिस वेरी डे. ओके, देयर इट स्टैंड्स टू दिस वेरी डे. इस दिन पर. ओके, दिस वेरी डे मतलब प्रेजेंट डे, इस दिन पर. Okay, so own and very is our emphasizing noun. Own and very is our emphasizing adjectives. Okay, now the next one is exclamatory adjective. Now exclamatory adjectives के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो that is obviously we know exclamatory मतलब something to put exclamation mark on it, right? Exclamation mark आएगा उसके ऊपर. Yes, तो is in this, that is, see, exclamatory adjective are used to express sudden surprise and pain etc. वो हमें भी पता है. exclamatory जो sentences होते हैं वो कुछ expressions, surprises, कुछ मूवमेंट्स डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए वो सेंटेंस किए जाते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट दैट वी वॉन्ट आंसर ऑफ दैट, बट इट इज़ लाइक वी एक्सप्रेस अवर सेल्फ इन दैट वे. द वर्ड what is sometime used as an exclamatory adjective. What genius, what folly, what an idea, what a blessing, what a piece of work is man. ओके, तो ये जो what है वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी एडजेक्टिव बनते हैं. हम पूछ नहीं रहे किसी से कि वो किस तरह का जीनियस है, बट वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग व्हाट जीनियस. ओके, क्या जीनियस है. और व्हाट एन आइडिया, क्या आइडिया है. हम ये नहीं पूछ रहे कि क्या आइडिया है, वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग क्या आइडिया है. ओके, वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग आवर सेल्फ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक्सक्लेमेटरी की बात हो रही है तो ऑलवेज उसके पीछे एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क तो लगेगा ही. ओके, सो दीज आर टोटल 9 kinds of adjectives. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, including these 3 different, we can tell these are total 12 adjectives. Okay, please go through all these 3 videos together and try to get proper explanation or try to understand the explanations well. Here are few examples in which you can get more idea. See, if I tell like if I speak he is fool. Okay, वो fool है. or else he is a foolish boy. Okay, अगर मैं बोलूँ he is a fool or he is a foolish boy. सो यहाँ पर ये जो फूल है इट इज़ वर्किंग एज नाउन, बट यहाँ पर नाउन क्या है, बॉय। ओके, तो बॉय कैसा है, दैट इज़ एडजेक्टिव। अंडरस्टूड। सो हमेशा याद रखना जब भी हम एडजेक्टिव बनाते हैं, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इट शुड बी। सी इजी है, आई लिव इन इंडिया। ओके, आई लाइक इंडियन टीम। यहाँ पे इंडिया इज़ अ नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस नाउन इज दिस, टीम इज नाउन, तो इंडियन क्या है, प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव। दैट इज़ फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव विच आई एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल। ओके, तो इसी तरह से सेंस, हम बोलते हैं ना कई बार, डू यू हैव सेंस, राइट, तो वो सेंस, तो यहाँ पर वी कैन टेल he is a senseless boy और she is a senseless girl। ओके, तो वो उस तरह से आ जाता है। गोल्ड इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, तो वहाँ पर गोल्ड इज़ अ नाउन। आई हैव गोल्डन ईयररिंग्स, तो गोल्डन इज़ एडजेक्टिव। अंडरस्टूड। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट अलग अलग तरह से नाउन जो है वो एडजेक्टिव में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे वो देखना है। वी कैनॉट टेल के say like suppose he is a fool boy, instead of telling he is a fool boy, foolish will be suitable in this sentence। Understood। Now if you see this, I hope you all can see all these sentences, this will be your exercise to work on। You can take this exercise to work on as self study। Self study। Now all these 20 sentences, I want you people to write adjectives for this। See, यहाँ पे कुछ पूछा नहीं गया कि whether it is possessive adjective or it is exclamatory adjectives, nothing। It is simply given that you have to write suitable adjective on this। Understood। So see this, what adjectives can come on this, and try to complete these adjective exercise on your own। Okay everyone, so I'm just holding it so that you can understand, or so that you can put pause on your video and you can do it or self study। You can note down this in your notebook। Yes, for grammar you can make one separate notebook and you can note down all these in your notebook and try to write answers with pencils। Later on we will definitely go through answers also of these sentences, so that if anyone will do some wrong answers, they can do correction in that। Okay everyone, so all the best। This will be the first exercise in our grammar topic, to do it on your own। So just start doing now, from now onwards start doing with grammar work as well। Okay everyone, okay fine। Go through all my videos and understand the topics well। Do this exercise in one separate notebook as grammar notebook। So take care everyone and bye bye।